Ethereum could retreat 3.7% by tomorrow, Traders Union suggests. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. Right now, Ethereum is trading near $1,590.36 after a 0.9% daily increase. We now turn to the analyst predictions. According to Traders Union, we might see the chart dipping to $1,529.77 by tomorrow, nearly 3.7% down. Ethereum could move toward $1,562.91, according to digital coin price, a move down close to 1.6%. According to Gov Capital Collector, the price could be heading down toward $1,581.23, a loss estimated at 0.5%. Another projection from Coin Price Forecast indicates Ethereum may head toward $1,630, a gain estimated at 2.6%. And lastly, 30 Rates expects the price to reach $1,650 by July 1, 3.9% up. This is the strongest return outlook of all. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a decrease of 3.7% to an increase of 3.9%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, 30 Rates projects the highest return with 3.9% gain in value by July 1. To sum it up, you could receive between $5 and $39 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, Gov Capital Collector's forecast shows the strongest probability at 87.7%. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I formed a consensus picture. The consensus target puts Ethereum at close to $1,590.78. Here's the full picture. From the consensus perspective, the price may go higher by 0.1% by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 0.1%. Putting 1,000 into this move could reflect about $1 in gain. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Ethereum holding true is roughly 89.7%. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Traders Union anticipates downward movement in the near term. A drop is also expected by digital coin price, reinforcing the downside view. Gov Capital Collector sees an upward move ahead. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast sees the price trending higher in the short term. Additionally, 30 Rates suggests the direction is clearly higher. The consensus picture indicates Ethereum will hover within a tight band around current levels. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Ethereum moving in an upward direction. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they lined up with the market. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $1,613.03. With the price moving that way, every analyst's forecast about the direction was correct. The most exact forecast belonged to Traders Union. Let's see it piece by piece. The daily candle included 4 forecasts. As for ROI, all analysts finished in profit, with coin data flow leading at 3.8%. Now on screen is the full results summary. How the forecast performed after fact-checking. As indicated in the data, Gov Capital Collector achieved 2.6% ROI and $25.1 accuracy. Take a moment to look over the numbers and see who performed best this time. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Ethereum and a few selected assets. The highest potential return goes to Optimism with 0.6%, while Ethereum stays below the leader. This comparison features Ethereum with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. Don't miss the next strong move. Subscribe and stay informed. Talk to you in the next one.